Yo man, hey, we tuning back in this video. Hopefully this video hasn't been too long, but hey, we're doing the cable management right now. We're pretty much done with the freaking PC. Got the 5070 Ti. I'm gonna link all the parts down below probably. Yeah, I'll probably link them all. It's gonna take a little minute, but I'll do it. But yeah, anyways, though, we got the motherboard or the power supply down here. Got all the parts off right now. So once I put all the parts on there, y'all, like all the covers, the glass, everything, it's gonna look so much nicer. Then we're gonna set up my monitor that I have right there. So we're gonna set that up, and then yeah.